How to use Discord on phone while playing games. Firstly, on your device, open Play Store or App Store. Then go to the search bar on the top and search for Discord. After searching for Discord, look for any updates that may be available. Now open the app on your device. On the app, you will land to the home page. On your home page, you will see all the servers that you are connected to on the left panel. Select your server where you would like to do the voice chat to play games. After selecting the server, click on General to start the voice chat. At the bottom, click on Join Voice to start the call. Select while using the app. Once you follow this process, you will be on a call. You can also add more people to your call. Now, just at that screen, go back to your home page. Make sure that the call is happening on the background. Now navigate to the game that you want to play, open the game and start playing. At this stage, you can play your game and also be active on the voice chat. That's all for today. Thank you.